Hi everyone and welcome back to the Morning Report Chart Appraisals on Thursday the 27th of November with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Handtech Markets. Going to move on to Eurodollar now, and interesting times on Eurodollar because Euro is now back, or had been back, to the resistance of this downtrend that's been in place for the past 3 months, and once again it seems to be rolling over. If you're going to be playing, or if you take a step back and look at the sort of medium to longer term picture, you would argue that this morning, when I wrote my morning report, the RSI was up at 47.48, which is again around about where all these rollovers have basically occurred in the last couple of months. And it looks like that seems to be the case again. The selling pressure seems to be taking hold once more on Eurodollar, down 30-40 pips at the moment on the day, and this downtrend continues to be the big pressure. I mean, you've got this. You're actually still in this. If I take the intraday chart and zoom out, you are actually in this big range, and I think you're playing the range, but you play resistance within the range. And I sort of put out a trade yesterday on the site around with selling around about 25.30, which I saw as coming into a bit of resistance within the range, and seems to be working at the moment. And also looking at these momentum indicators, although you haven't yet broken 24.40, which is that higher reaction low, you see these momentum indicators are rolling over. The stochastics, look at that, actually bearish divergence in the last couple of peaks. MACD lines seem to be rolling over. RSI also now on the hourly chart at least at a 2 or 3 day low. So it is interesting that this is gathering momentum to the downside now, and I think that we could well see a test of that 24.40, and if we get a break of that 24.40, I think that would suggest that once more we're going to be probably moving towards this 24 and ultimately the 23.57 low within the band. So an interesting sell-off today. I mean, it has come on the back of the Spanish CPI, or HICP, which is the official one. But it looks like certainly the euro has lost momentum at the moment and is coming under pressure once more. So I would say initially, obviously, the resistance is around that 25.30 mark, but you're up at again around that 25.77, which was these couple of peaks, which is the key resistance, I think, within this band. You had a spike towards 26, and 26 is also the historical resistance as well, around that 26 level. So anything above 26, if you're going to get really conservative, I suppose, on your stops on a rally. But I think I think we are beginning to once more come under pressure, as I said, on the downside on Eurodollar. Okay, so I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.